I've talked about living shade walls before, and this is what I'm referring to. So this is a wall that we have placed on the north side of the bed, and this isn't necessarily for shade as much as more it is for wind protection and to have an area for things to grow up. But you could put this on the west side of a raised bed, for example, and then it's going to provide shade in the afternoon. But this is a really simple structure that we built with just T-posts and then this rebar mesh that we got at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever, one of those places. It's really cheap. It's like $8 for this panel, and then the T-posts we get for free because they're always on the side of the road on big trash day. Here in Oklahoma, that's a thing where people put their trash out once a month, and anyway, they're always on the side of the road for that. And again, this is where we have loofah growing on this, and we have beans. The loofah came up on their own, the beans we planted, and they basically took over this, and now it provides, you know, wind protection. It provides, you know, depending on where it is, it can be shade. But if you don't have an area of shade in your garden, this is how you can build something like that. And you can also build arches, you know, as we've done here with these panels. We have a shade wall over here that is on the west side of a raised bed. This is an example here of a shade wall that's placed on the west side of a bed. So this is full of beans for the most part. It looks like there's a tomato in here that's still vining up. It's crazy. This is a jungle, y'all. Like I said, I took the summer off and I just wanted to see what would happen. Like, this is basically the Jurassic Park of gardens is what happened here. I just like threw a bunch of seeds out and just wanted to see what would happen. And so we've got over here on the shade wall, this provides protection for things here in the middle of the really hot afternoons. We don't really need that anymore, but in the summer, it was valuable to have that there to help the beans down here flourish. You know, these beans were shading the other ones. So we got a lot of beans off of this area.